paying homage to Khudiram Bose, the youngest martyr of Indian independence struggle. Do we know who is the fearless teenage revolutionary who sacrificed his life for India's freedom struggle at a teen age? He is Khudiram Bose. Let us pay our tribute to the brave teenage revolutionary who continues to inspire our life and helps us to build a strong determination. Khudiram Bose was born on December 3, 1889 in Moboni village of Midnapur district in Bengal, now West Bengal, India. His father's name was Troilokanath Bose and his mother Lakshmi Priya Devi. His father was a tehsildar in the service of the Raja of Nadol. His mother was a pious lady. Khudiram was dark complexioned and very good looking. He studied at Tamluk Hamilton High School. His parents died early and his responsibility was shouldered upon on his elder sister Apurupa Roy at an exchange of 3 handfuls of food grain, that is khud. This was the origin of his name Khudiram. In 1902 and 1903, he listened to the public speeches of Aurobindo Ghosh and Sister Nivedita at Midnapur. That prompted him to join the freedom struggle. In 1905, during the partition of Bengal, he became an active volunteer in the freedom movement of India. He toured the districts to organize the freedom struggle. There was a renowned club, Muzaffarpur city, where Chief Presidency Magistrate Douglas Kingsford of Calcutta used to visit occasionally. On 30th April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Prafullo Chaki tried to teach a lesson to the then Chief Presidency Magistrate Douglas Kingsford of Calcutta in Muzaffarpur district, present-day Bihar. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Khudiram Bose was arrested. The historic trial of this incident, known as the Muzaffarpur Conspiracy Case 1908, started on 21st May 1908 and was presided over by Judge Korndorf. Kalidas Basu, Upendranath Sen and Khetronath Bandyopadhyay were the lawyers who handled Khudiram's defense. Advocates Kulokamal Sen, Nagendralal Lahiri and Satish Chandra Chakraborty later joined them during the trial. Khudiram submitted his statement to Magistrate E.W. Bradhaud on 23rd May 1908, wherein he denied his involvement or responsibility in any aspect or stage of the entire operation. Though Khudiram did not agree to the plea statement, he was persuaded by his lawyers to sign it. His response after hearing the sentence baffled the judge, as he only smiled at his tender age of about 18 years, 8 months. Cheerful and smiling Khudiram Bose shall always be there with us, who sacrificed his life at a teen age for our nation, Mother India. Let us once again pay our homage to the great revolutionary.